Before you can earn, trade or stake crypto, you need a place to store it. That's where crypto wallets come in. But what's the difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet? Let's break it down. What is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet stores your private keys, allowing you to access and manage your crypto. It doesn't actually store coins. It stores the access to your blockchain assets. You need a wallet to send, receive, and secure crypto like BTC, ETH or KK4. Hot wallets connected to the internet. Examples: Solflare, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. Easy to use, great for daily transactions. Less secure, more vulnerable to hacks if not properly protected. Cold wallets, offline wallets. Examples: Ledger, Trezor. Ideal for long-term storage and large amounts. Immune to online hacks, less convenient for daily use. Which wallet should you use? Beginners, hot wallet. Long-term holders, cold wallet. Use both for a balanced approach. Hot for active use, cold for safekeeping. KK4 and wallets. KK4 is compatible with Solflare wallet on Solana. Claim your airdrop rewards directly to your wallet. Use your wallet to connect with our staking and P2E platforms. Claim your 1000 KKCO tokens daily. Drop your Solflare wallet address in the comments below.